Good morning, guys. It's now Monday. I don't know what day is today actually. June 8. It's already now June 8. Evening shift ako this week. Ang aga kong nagising kasi from Saturday and Sunday, nasa 4, 5 a.m. ako nagigising kasi nga dahil nga sa morning shift ako last week. So, ang katawan ko nasanay ulit sa early morning. So, ihatid ko siya today sa school kasi yun yung request niya kahapon. So, yes. I don't know kung sasama si Renee, pero I think ako lang siguro. Kasi mag-work din siya eh. Coffee muna tayo. Pagising lang ni Brian, so pinaliguan ko siya agad. At ngayon, na lang siya, kaupo dun. Open muna natin yung curtain. Brian, good morning. Bagong ligo yan. Bagong ligo yan. Let's make toasty for him.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then how could you now? A part of me wants you to see, a part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror and find me window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice, gone before you ever know. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay.
Ik kan paardenkoop af en toe. Hoi.
Uy.
Brian, wat heb je gedaan met het barbecue?
So, hatid na natin yung maliit sa school. Brian, come now. For sure malilate na kami kasi naiwan namin ang school bag ni Brian. 'Di ba nakakaloka? Maghahatid sa school pero naiwan yung bag. Ay nako. So I'm pretty sure late na kami.
It seems like the neighbors already changed or did all the stuff and we still need to do it again.
Which one?
The heg. See?
Yeah.
But I think they did it with an electric thingy or something. I think I didn't even lock the door. Well,
Maybe send a message to the school that we will be late.
that's good.
Huh?
See?
Hi. Can I have a kiss? Kiss. Bye bye. Here. The other side. Doy. Kaloka doon kami ibang road din yung dinaanan namin, hindi yung sa normal road na tinitake namin pag hinahatid siya kasi at least nung pabalik na kami is traffic na yun. Kasi both yun highway sa papuntang mga dalawang malalaking highway. So it was gonna I'm pretty sure it's going to be busy there. So iba yung kinuha naming road or tinake namin na road. So medyo natagalan kasi part dun is may road closure. So mas lalo kaming na late. Anyway, it's good now. We sent a message naman sa school. So kaloka. Siya lang yung estudyanteng ihatid pero naiwan yung school bag. Breakfast muna kami tapos pupunta na ang supermarket for going home.
That's the green one,
Yeah, but I don't like the color. I like the matte color
It's
green.
still okay.
Huh?
It's still okay.
It's still okay, but not
There were not many color choices for that color.
But it's not a dual tone. Charot.
What?
But why did you took the white actually?
Because I wanted something else.
Yeah,
But the
white is
orange,
very
was-
common.
The orange was also too much. And the black one I don't like. I can't
I think
afford
you
it.
will be the one going.
Huh? With the tea.
I like the combination of a bit salty and very nice, very colorful, honey. I have a platter of breakfast platter. Toast, breakfast platter, toasty, waffles, and croissants. And Renee has some egg benedict. So tapos na kaming mag-breakfast and we are going to the supermarket. I'm just waiting for Renee. Nagbabayad pa siya. And after that we go to supermarket and then I will go home. See if I can still edit and I have to be early at work today because meron ako project na ginagawa for work. So I'm gonna meet up with my team leader. So yeah, I have to go home after immediately go home after grocery. Ang tagal. Dami nang nagbebenta ng ganito, oh. Start na ng World Championship ng football. No, I have a baga. Perfect. Honey, thank you. Hindi kasi ako sanay mag-park ng pa-backward. Ninuruan ako ng asawa ko. If you notice this one, it's leaning again there.
Yeah, but that's not bad. That's not bad because it's growing to the right. That's
We also need to clean this one, huh? So, good morning guys. It's now 7 a.m. Prepare na tayo sa ni Brian. Sa kanyang lunchbox. Alas 12 na ng gabi ako nakauwi kagabi. So, yeah. Prepare natin yung lunchbox niya. At mag-prepare na rin ako try ko rin mag-breakfast kasi gusto ko pag uwi ko galing natin kay Brian is makakatulog pa ako, may time pa ako matulog.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. Tried to show you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then how could you now? A part of me wants you to see, a part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror and find me window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice, gone before you ever know. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Gone before you ever know. Trying to think of something clever, or just any word, but there's a lot of it inside a head. If I knew how, I'd let you have it. In the halo of the street lights, stomach turning like a rerun. Lucky girl, he's so attentive. If only you had tried to let him know anything at all. How could he ever see the signs if there's none of them around? A part of me wants you to see, a part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror and find me window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek.
Gisingin na natin si Brian. It's already 7:30. Hi! Good morning! Thought you were still sleeping. Good morning! Oh, Papa dressed you up already. Yeah. Ready, Tata? Yeah. Okay. Come. Here, Ethan. Kita ako kay Yogi. Roach and Matt. Yeah. Ayan, Ethan. Hi guys, coffee muna tayo. Bago natin ihatid itong maliit. Still 15 minutes. Brian, put the Ita should leave you, okay? Others, we will be late again, like yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, do you want that? Yeah. Okay. My goodness.
Eyes keep me torn inside. She runs like a river through me.
So, nahatid na yung maliit. Punta tayo ng supermarket kasi gusto kong magluto ng giniling na baboy. So, dito na tayo sa supermarket. Dito ako lagi nagpapabudol, guys. But this is LED party light. This is actually mine. But hindi ko siya kailangan today. Siguro sa birthday ko. Ang ganda ng weather. It's very opposite from last week's weather. Yan yung ano ni Brian before o like daycare. Pero tinigil na namin kasi every time na alam niya pupunta siya doon, is iyak talaga siya. Parang ayaw niya talaga doon. Wala namang mga bad na nangyari pero parang hindi niya lang ano talaga gusto yung daycare. So, from then on, ang lolo niya kumukuha, sa lolo na siya nagsa-standby pag wala kami. So, yeah. I think it's also better. Gusto din ng lolo niya. So, yeah. So, guys, I'm home. Magluto na tayo diretso ng giniling na baboy. Or actually, mix to ng beef at saka baboy. Tapos, meron din akong manok dito para for the next day. So, yun lang binili ko sa supermarket talaga. Ito lang giniling baboy at saka yung manok at saka yung carrots para may ano tayo pa rin kuhanin. May binigay sa akin yung colleague ko na liquor. Umuwi kasi siya sa bansa nila. I think somewhere close sa Ukraine or something. So, ito yung parang baga famous na ano nila, alcohol. Kumbaga sa Poland, di ba, vodka sa kanila. Kanila ito naman, 30% alcohol ko siya. Na-try ko, binigyan niya ako dito before at ang sarap niya. Ginagawa kong parang minimix ko sa cocktail. So ngayon meron, dinalahan niya ako ng tropical at saka yung sherry flavor. Ang pangalan nito is Riga Black Balsam. So excited akong gamitin to sa summer, actually siguro sa birthday ko. So, magka-cocktail kami dyan sa labas. So, this I'm gonna use.
Constant learning to flow.
let's eat guys. Giniling na baboy. This will be my brunch. So, konting leftover ko na rice. Yung bagong niluto ko na rice is para to kay Brian. Mamayang gabi. And then, bubble water. So, yes. Lutong bahay na giniling. Prepare natin yung dinner ni Brian para ilalagay lang ni Renee sa microwave.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue.
Hi guys, punta na tayo ng work.
Sort of whippy and jaded, but let's not talk
It's already
about
2:05, I think 2:10.
your couch song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long?
So it's already 2:12. Buti na lang nakatulog pa ako ng from 11:30 after kong kumain. Muna ako ng mga at least 1 hour. Tapos, yeah, at 11:30 nakatulog ako at nagising ako mga 1:30. So, really happy about that.